chala ధన్యవాదాలు for such a warm welcome. Thank you so much. ఈ రోజు నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది ఎందుకంటే ఈ రోజు ఆడియో లాంచ్ కదా. Please bear with my Telugu if I spoke anything wrong. I apologize. I just love your energy. Express Raja is a very special film in my life. Naku chala special. Express Raja has taught me a lot. I want to thank Gandhi sir. Please allow me to say sir today because you deserve the respect and I've learned a lot from him. Oka mentor, oka friend, chala laga help chesaru. It's been a delightful experience working for 40 to 45 days, working so hard. The entire team, hats off to you. I love all the songs. Praveen Garu, you've done a wonderful job. I want to thank my co-star, Sharva. This is your best. Looking so super stylish in the film. This is your best. Thank you so much. It was lovely working with you and hope to work with you again soon. I thank Karthik sir, the cinematographer. He shot the songs beautifully. I think you all enjoyed watching the songs. Thank you to all the co-stars, my other co-actors, Urvashi Garu, Harish, Raghu. Did I miss anyone else? Shakalaka Shankar, Saptagiri. They have all worked really hard and I feel privileged to share screen space with all of them. Prabhas sir. Naku chala pedda fan. It's a Bahubali moment for me to meet the real Bahubali in person. నేను చాలా పెద్ద ఫ్యాన్ ప్రభాస్ కి. I thank all the ADs, the co-directors, all the technicians, and lastly UV Creations, Pedda banner. UV Creations, I mean, they are the silent heroes who without being visible has made my journey so smooth. So thank you UV Creations for giving me this opportunity to work in your banner. Thank you so much.
Super Surabhi, super.
Thank you so
heroine
much,
inta
Surabhi.
pedda speech ivvaledu but super. Thank you so much. Thank you.
వైజాగ్లో పేవర్స్గా తిరిగే వాళ్లలో ఓ సర్వే నిర్వహిస్తే అందులో మొదటి పేరు నీది, రెండో పేరు నీ పేరు వచ్చిందిరా.
సర్వే ఎవరు చేశాడు కానీ ఆడికి సన్మానం చేయొచ్చు సార్.